a good group and it's always bloody hard.
Well, we're new and we just love it, everything about it. Great bunch of motivating people, so yeah, it's good.
Everything. I like everything. Encouragement, variety, fun.
Good.
I love the daily challenge, and I love to be successful, and I love to push myself. I love the way how I look at now, how much I change inside and outside, and it's the best thing that ever happened to me in many years.
Team spirit, encouragement, and you guys just love to pump it every day.
The coaches are awesome, and the way like I'm injured and I can still come every day, and it's like I'm still doing a similar workout, but it's just catered to me. Still feel tired and still not getting fat again.
It's fun. It's fun. You guys make it fun, and yeah, it's challenging.
Good.
Love it. Love you guys.